Revisit those goals, whether they're monthly, quarterly, or annual, and really identify if you are meeting the goals you not only set for your organization, but for yourself. I hope you enjoy this. It's really intended to be a fun time because it's like you're doing a science project. You're really investigating what works, what doesn't work. You're really solidifying and understanding that no matter what the problem is, you can always stop, realign, and understand if you're on the right trajectory. So in conclusion, the goal of you taking the time right now to do this exercise with me and know that I'm with you every time you need to listen to this conversation as you're looking at your activities, you can really hone in on the fact, am I in reactive mode? Am I being my ally, or are my actions and my thoughts really acting like a parasite, eating away at the progress that I really intend to have in my life and in my profession? Taking the time to stop, realign, and get your head back into the game, understanding it's supposed to be hard. Okay, it's supposed to be hard. But by me taking the time to understand how I'm entering into that challenge is so key. It's so key. So remember, boundaries, evaluating stress triggers, carving out this time is going to definitely get you to that larger goal. Baby steps, micro decisions, you're going to get there. And why am I so sure of this? Because you're leveraging your results to achieve sustainable growth and stability. You're giving yourself the space to say, this is where I am. These are the steps that I want to take, and did they work or not? Within this timeline, getting such and such people involved. I love it. So I do hope that you enjoy, and I'd love to know how this helped you. So please DM me, leave comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay? This is Carrie Amaro. See you soon.